Hey kindergartners, Mr. Maxwell here with your science experiment. Remember, we're doing sinking or floating, and if you downloaded or printed the worksheet, you know that we're going to be testing a coin. So we have a coin here, we have a pencil, we have a cotton ball, we have a crayon, we have a big old rubber band, and we have a twig or a stick. So, let me get this, and I'll point it down into the water like that. All right. Now we're going to take the quarter. So, what do you think? Do you think that this coin, this quarter, do you think it's going to float on top of the water, or do you think it's going to sink? All right, let's see. We're going to take it, we're going to place it in the water, and as you can see, it goes straight to the bottom. All right. So the next thing, so you would put a what? You would put a frowny face on top of that, right? All right, so the next thing we have is a pencil. What do you think? Do you think the pencil is going to sink, or do you think it's going to go to the bottom, or do you think it's going to stay on top? Let's see. And if you notice, that pencil is on top, which means that that pencil weighs equal to or less than the force that's pushing up in the water. So that's why it floats. That quarter weighs more. It weighs more than the force that is pushing it up. That's why it sinks. All right, now we have this cotton ball. Let's see if the cotton ball sinks or if it floats. Here we go. Boom. Uh-oh. It started to stay up, but it's, as you can see, it's all the way down at the bottom. All right, the next thing is a crayon. So you should have, so far you should have one smiley face and two frowny faces, okay? How about the crayon? Let's look at the crayon. We're gonna see, does it sink or float? Looky there, it's on top, which means that it weighs less than the force that is pushing up, or equal to, so it's floating. Okay. The next thing is our big old rubber band. Let's see what happens with the big old rubber band. We're going to put it in. Oh, I don't know if you can see that, but it went all the way down to the bottom. So even that rubber band is heavier than the force pushing up on it, because it's sinking, it's going all the way to the bottom. And of course, our last thing is the stick. What do you think? Do you think the stick will float on top, or do you think it'll go down to the bottom? I don't know. I heard some answers both ways. What do you think? Here we go. Here's the test. Will it sink or float? Drum roll, please. And it floats. So you should have 3 smiley faces and 3 frowny faces. We had 3 that sank and 3 that floated. And that is our sink or float experiment. Have a great day. Bye-bye.